I'll do one rev here for you.
No, please don't do it. Oh, I'm kind of regretting coming along.
I'm here at Speciale Wrap, one of the main wrap shops we come to here in Perth for PPF and colour changes. Now, behind me you can see the Aston Martin Valour is here, and you're probably wondering why it's here after we just took delivery. Well, Lawrence was a little bit unhappy with the colour matching between the green carbon and also the factory colour. They weren't really matching. Now, the best person to actually tell you about this process is the man himself, Josh Dowes.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, Seto's right. Look, the car is here for a colour change. It's probably the first Aston Martin Valour in the world that's been colour changed. We're using coloured PPF this time. And yeah, like Seto said, the green when it arrived or when we spec'd it, we thought would be a good idea. When it landed, it just didn't hit as well. It kind of actually looks a little bit like dishwater, not an actual green. And in reality, the green carbon was overpowering the paintwork. So we're changing it, again, using coloured PPF to a much more vibrant, bolder, much more lustrous green, and the finish is absolutely incredible. It's got some blue hues in there, a little bit of purple as well, and it ties in a lot better with the green carbon. So it's all gonna flow together nicely. We're probably about halfway at the moment. Yeah, really cool to work on a car like this, and it should be pretty unique.
Josh, I have one more question. 3 years ago,
yes,
we went to Molsheim. We
yes.
spec'd the Bolide alongside Lawrence. And now there's it's circulating that we've copied Andrew Tate. Now, I know that you have the perfect explanation for this.
That's a very good question. Thank you for asking it. So for all the trolls online saying that we copied Mr. Tate in regards to his Chiron with the Bolide, we took actual inspiration from the Rembrandt Veyron. So one of the kind of hyper series, super series, very special limited editions of the Veyron, their runouts. So that's where the kind of brown carbon mixed with the gold inspiration came from. So nothing against Mr. Tate, his Chiron's amazing, but the actual inspiration was from Manny Koshman has one. So Manny's Veyron, if you watch his videos, that is where the inspiration came from.
We'll see you guys in a bit, and thank you, Josh.
See you soon.
Alright guys, as you can see, I'm currently in a pool in Bali, relaxing, taking some time off. I'm actually here with Lawrence and a few of their friends. That means I can't present anything back in Perth. And at the moment, the Valour is at Josh's wrap shop being finished. And he gave me a call and said, Seto, it's ready to be picked up. Matt is going to go pick it up, take it back to the warehouse, and he's going to give you a run through of that car. So I'm going to hand it over to Matt whilst I have a cheeky drink here in his pool, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hi everyone, as you can see, we've got the new Valour behind me. Our number one presenter, Seto, is currently away on holiday in Bali. Our number two presenter, Michael, is currently in bed ill, so you're stuck with me. I've got some notes on my phone, so let's see how we get on. As you guys know, Lawrence and the team headed over to the Aston Martin factory in the UK a couple of years ago to have a real deep look at this car with the Aston Martin team. And following that, this is a really special specification, as we have done with a lot of the other Lee Collection cars around the warehouse. And we looked really carefully about how it would sit alongside other cars within the collection. Knowing there's already two DBS 770s in the collection, we wanted this one to be quintessentially Aston. And even though it's green, it's slightly different to the already existing green DBS 770 Coupe. AM Racing green exterior, which was made popular during the DB7 and DB9 era, forest green interior. And then finally, we've got the shadow chrome gold and black wheels with those black stealth calipers for that truly stealth look. You'll notice a lot of intricate details on this car that you may have never seen on any other Aston. And that's because it's been ordered directly through Aston Martin's Q division, a secret off-menu list of specs that only the top buyers in the world get access to. Some of the specs include green exposed carbon on the interior and the exterior, beautiful golden anodized interior hardware, as well as the window trim, tailgate, and you can see right here on the front of the car, the golden accents carry through the entire vehicle. Each Valour is tailored specifically to the customer's wants and needs, and with only 110 made, it'll be unheard of or incredibly unlikely to see two of these cars identically the same.
You're going to lose Lanzetta for a second.
Lanzetta, where are you going?
Yeah, fine.
This guy's always on the phone.
He's been talking about Fugazi one way, we another way.
Yeah.
Chops
Always
in
on
his
the
mate.
Because he really needs his whole meeting room to himself. Anyway, guys, that's when he's done there, I'm gonna go for a drive with him, and hopefully he's a little bit more in a chirpier mood. Can you come with me when you go for a drive through the city?
No.
Why not? Here we are in the 812. I'm with Lanzetta.
Yeah.
And we're going to go for a quick city detour. Might disturb everyone's lunch break as we go through.
Oh, I do miss this car.
You should have it.
Novatec
Novatec
exhaust, so cats,
Springs.
mid-pipe.
Oh, I hate when that happens. Good. I just sound like I stole the car every time. I hate this automatic.
Yeah, gotta have it.
No, you don't. You don't have to have it.
You too.
Oh, got an M4 next to us. Making a little bit of popcorn there. Oh.
Purely coincidental.
Yeah. Oh, she's really. I had the dash shift on. I'm sorry.
How much better is a dual clutch than a single clutch?
Yeah, I know.
After that Sunday and
Well, after you were driving a single clutch, which you hated,
yeah.
Michael was in the Ultimate on the weekend, and I had to remind him that the Ultimate with a single clutch made him feel sick.
Yeah.
He didn't like it at all.
No.
And sometimes people forget, or what people don't know is, automatically when you stop, the gear goes back to neutral. So if you totally forget that it's in neutral, you will rev the absolute crap out of that car and look like a Now we're in amongst the crowds. We're in a city.
This is peacocking at its finest. This is.
If I just do it right here,
Please do not. Are these windows tinted?
No. I'll do one rev here for you.
No, please don't do it. Do. Oh god. I'm kind of regretting coming along.
Yeah, look. I won't do another one. Don't worry.
They will call the cops on us.
Who will call the cops on us?
Citizens.
At least you're gonna get a tunnel run. You'll hear how loud this car is. Everyone loves an 812. In fourth gear, gonna drop down now. Third, second. Can we really go wrong with that sound, Lanzetta? It's screaming, it's bouncing off the walls right now next to me. Should we have a listen again? That's enough disturbing in Perth.
That's naughty.
Honestly, that sound just never gets old.
Yeah.
And if you hate it, oh, you suck. Because that's a beautiful note.
It'll make your hearing go old.
Yeah,
but other than
that hurts.
Yeah, you'll start hearing like an 80-year-old. But intoxicating sound. Novatec, they always deliver when it comes to Ferrari.
Now we just did a couple of Gitanis and Lambos.
Yeah.
I'm here with my uncle Vijay, a good friend of Lawrence's. He actually has a small collection of cars himself. I mean, when I say small, it's not actually small for the...
Compared to Lawrence.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vijay, run us through. You have a few cars here.
We got decent collection as according to me. We got GT3 RS.
Paint the sample, acid green, amazing car, and it's actually got the muffler back done, but he should have done a full straight pipe through. I don't even know R1 Motorsports, should have done it.
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
The latest collection is the Revuelto, Lamborghini Revuelto, V12, close to 1100 horsepower.
Yeah, full carbon option as well, that one.
My favorite, 488 Pista, close to 800 horsepower.
That was actually stage 2 tune, catalyst system. That car is a slippery car on the roads, super quick.
And then we got 765 Spyder.
Full MS soak, carbon optioned, Everything. This car just, yeah, this car is a good looking car.
Tokyo Cyan,
It's Bentley Continental Mulliner, wrapped,
Speciale
wrapped it in Rosso Magma.
and then we got the Urus Performante there.
The wife's car.
Every day, daily. It's a fantastic SUV.
This is the guy that crashed the McLaren, by the way. There he is. 688 HS killer, right here.
Not only McLaren, jet ski as well.
Jet ski. He actually crashed a Mansory jet ski.
One of
Oh man,
this guy.
So I'm in the Pista, and as we said, this is a stage 2 tuned, catless. This car sounds amazing. It is a lethal weapon on the roads. I'm waiting for these tires to really warm up. I can leave marks everywhere in this car. It's super fun. Now what I love about this car is the sounds that it makes. You can hear the turbo whistles, the air intake, the exhaust. I mean, the downshifts with the little pops in the back. Can you hear that a little bit there? That's cool. The way this car drives, it is so responsive. The tires are warming up still, and I'm driving quite carefully, but as soon as I put this foot down, it is wanting to be tail happy. And that's amazing. You want a car that scares you, and this car scares me. I've driven a few cars now. This car will take you into a tree, and that's not what I want to do. So Leo has decided to join us. He's taken the blue Ultimate from the collection for this drive. He's right behind me right now.